Look at this LABUBU X Sanrio blind box. I'm literally shaking to open it. This set has 6 regular designs and 1 super rare secret chase figure. The first one is
Pochacco.
Let's open them quickly. The hood and clothes are removable.
It feels like we can swap their clothes. That would be so fun.
Take off the clothes and it's still super cute. Cinnamoro's ears are super bouncy, so squishy and cuddly. This collection is perfect for collectors. Who's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below.